Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is A&A chess set. I'm purchasing this chess set from official website aa-chessset.com. I already added this product link in video description. This is the exact product I'm purchasing. Product price is $48. The same product available on Amazon as well. I already added this link in video description. You just simply click and purchase. Apart from this chess, this platform are selling other product as well. Look at this here: chess boards, chess box, and chess sets, chess pieces as well. Which chess you want, like accordingly you should decide and purchase. All chess set is affordable and more comfortable for pricing perspective as well, and the quality is much impressive. Now we will do unboxing, which types of chess set we are receiving and how exactly look like. Let's check it out. Now I just simply open this chess set. Look at this, the quality of coming from this price, and the bag is much impressive. You can carry very easily in traveling, during the traveling as well. Oh. So look at this here, the white players and the black players. Here are silicone plastic chess mat. You can make any of the place like a chessboard. Much impressive. Apart from that, here we receive two bags for the black players and white players, and the bag is empty. Here we receive some basic information postcard as well. You can send them every player. This is the sticker. Simply you can fix properly in your other places. Lot of stickers we are receiving here. Look at this. And this is the magic booklet for learning point of view. You should learn the game board pieces, king, queen. You can follow them in YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, website, and services email address. Application is also available from download the Amazon shop application, scanning this QR code. Now I just simply open the player. Look at this, the player quality is really impressive. King, queen, they are providing one extra queen, one extra, yes, queen, one extra queen for the black. Can we receive one extra queen for white as well? So I just simply yes, we receive extra queen white as well. And this is the board. Chess game is a set. Now you can play like this, like this. Your king killing this, and then you check like this. I can go directly from here, and then this, then I go kill this one. He can kill me here, I can kill him, then checkmate. So you can play like this. This is the simple unboxing. So this is the simple unboxing and play chess game coming from AA chess set. I'm already added this link in video description. If you want purchase of, if you are looking quality chess product, so definitely you should visit this website and purchase which chess board you like it. If you have any question related on this chess board, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.